These are the units with 2700 kV, around 70,000 rounds per minute with high voltage batteries. This is a short test of my XRP 80mm EDFs. They came out of the box very unbalanced. It was kinda not possible to fly. I did some balancing and it sounded a bit better, but I couldn't locate where a problem is. So one of the units had a bent main shaft from the motor, so I had to remove this unit, and then I had to balance the other twos, and the result is that they now sound like they should. I'm proud, and this is how it sounds now. At first I thought they sound wired, but after you reach a specific amount of rounds per minute, they start to sound turbine-like. So I'm really proud.